Ethereum value equivalent to 60,239 rands a coin. The present cost range 60 450 60 70 502. The earlier day close 66,754. The change was 40,515 676%. Backwards rate ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 65,785 rands. Excessive cost 76,401, while low cost 65,785. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 69,844. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 71,403, change for July 85%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2024. At the outset cost at 71,403 rands. Exorbitant cost 80,72,62, while low cost 70,403. The middle value of cost 70,905. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 81,553, change for August 14.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 80,553 rands. Exorbitant cost 93,430, while low cost 80,206. The middle value of cost 85,877. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 87,318, change for September 7.1%. Ethereum estimate for October 2024. To start with cost at 80,318 rands. Excessive cost 95,043, while low cost 80,2607. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 88,448. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 88,825, change for October 1.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 88,825 rands. Excessive cost 89,284, while low cost 70,602. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 84,789. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 83,443, change for November 6.1%. Ethereum figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 83,443 rands. Exorbitant cost 83,443, while low cost 70,766. The middle value of cost 78,436. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 70,6092, change for December 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 70,6092 rands. Exorbitant cost 79,938, while low cost 69,478. The middle value of cost 75,054. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 70,4708, change for January 1.8%. Ethereum gauge for February 2025. In the first place cost at 70,4708 rands. Excessive cost 86,373, while low cost 70,4708. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 79,128. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 80,722, change for February 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 80,722 rands. Exorbitant cost 91,170, while low cost 79,242. The middle value of cost 84,085. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 85,206, change for spring 5.6%. Ethereum estimate for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 85,206 rands. Exorbitant cost 105,168, while low cost 85,206. The middle value of cost 91,242. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 93,989, change for April 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 90,39,89 rands. Excessive cost 170,149, while low cost 90,31,29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 90,18,602. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 100,139, change for May 6.5%. Ethereum conjecture for June 2025. Before all else cost at 100,139 rands. Excessive cost 120,42,92, while low cost 100,139. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 110,183. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 116,161, change for June 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 116,161 rands. Excessive cost 116,161, while low cost 98,796. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 109,338. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 162.32, change for July 85%. Ethereum figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 162.32 rands. Excessive cost 115.87, while low cost 103.77. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 170.507. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 179.32, change for August 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 179.32 rands. Excessive cost 133.965, while low cost 179.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 118.758. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 125.201, change for September 16%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 125.201 rands. Excessive cost 125.201, while low cost 105.654. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 117.416. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 113.606, change for October 93%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 113.606 rands. Exorbitant cost 115.927, while low cost 100,759. Found the middle value of cost 119.6059. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 108,343, change for November 6%. Ethereum estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 108,343 rands. Exorbitant cost 130.44.75, while low cost 108,343. Found the middle value of cost 119,210. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 125,678, change for December 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 125,678 rands. Excessive cost 130,627, while low cost 118,751. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 127,186. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 127,689, change for January 16%. Ethereum conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at 127,689 rands. Excessive cost 130.8813, while low cost 120.651. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 129,221. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 129,732, change for